The all-new Zeekr 7X knows you better than you know yourself. From the comfort of your seat to the grip of the steering wheel, everything is tailored to your preferences. Your daily schedule, favorite routes, it already remembers them. All you have to do is get behind the wheel, and everything is ready. This is the pinnacle of technology, while you simply enjoy the ride and focus on the moments that truly matter. Let's discover this technological marvel together. The sloping roofline adds a sense of dynamism to the vehicle's side profile, giving it a sporty and fluid silhouette. At the front, the glossy black panel perfectly integrates with the adaptive LED headlights, lending the car a technological and futuristic appearance. The varying sizes of lightweight alloy wheels, 19 inches, 20 inches, or 21 inches, further enhance the Zeekr 7X's on-road presence, allowing each trim level to express its unique character. The exterior design of the Zeekr 7X stands out with its distinctiveness at first glance. Reflecting modern European design elements, this vehicle combines power, confidence, and elegance in one package. Flawlessly polished surfaces and sharply defined lines give the Zeekr 7X an edge, both in aerodynamics and aesthetics. The rear doors open at nearly a 90-degree angle, making entry and exit exceptionally convenient, whether for passengers, children, or pets. Additionally, an optional power-assisted automatic opening feature is available for both the front and rear doors. Some car enthusiasts have noted that the exterior of the Zeekr 7X resembles the Toyota bZ4X, as both models belong to the electric SUV category. However, the Zeekr 7X surpasses the Toyota bZ4X in many aspects. We'll talk more about that in the upcoming moments and take a look at what Toyota Motor Corporation, the creator of the bZ4X, has to say about the Zeekr 7X. But for now, let's take a look inside the Zeekr 7X. The interior of the Zeekr 7X blends modern luxury with functionality, offering both the driver and passengers a comfortable, high-tech, and stylish environment. One of the first standout features inside is the ultra-wide, high-resolution central display paired with a fully digital instrument cluster, making the driving experience both intuitive and futuristic. The cabin, shaped by a minimalist design philosophy, is complemented by soft-touch materials, premium leathers, and ambient LED lighting. The seats offer both heating and ventilation functions, with an added massage feature available for the driver. The Zeekr 7X also stands out in terms of interior space. Its long wheelbase provides ample legroom and headroom for rear-seat passengers. The panoramic glass roof further enhances the sense of openness and brightness inside the cabin. In addition, features like sound insulation, extra storage compartments, and an advanced ventilation system make the Zeekr 7X both comfortable and practical for everyday use. To further enhance child safety, the vehicle is equipped with modern deployable safety airbags. These airbags activate instantly in the event of a collision, protecting children from potential impacts and ensuring maximum safety. This electric SUV impresses not only with its technology, but also with its trunk functionality. With an approximate cargo capacity of 500 liters, it comfortably meets all your needs, from everyday shopping to family trips. The rear seats fold down to further expand this space, allowing you to easily accommodate large items, strollers, or travel luggage. The electric tailgate also features an additional hands-free sensor opening function. Open the trunk with just a simple motion, making it convenient when your hands are full. It opens easily, quickly, and intelligently. The Zeekr 7X's trunk is not just a cargo space, but an essential part of your daily convenience. The Zeekr 7X's motors are equipped with an impressive 360 kilowatts of power, accelerating the vehicle's fast charging capability. This system can charge the battery from 10% to 80% in approximately 13 minutes. This means long charging times are a thing of the past for daily use. Your car is ready for the road again in the time it takes to enjoy a cup of coffee. This performance places the Zeekr 7X ahead of many electric SUV models on the market. Even in traditional cars, fast charging systems typically take over 30 minutes to recharge. Zeekr cuts that time by half. Whether driving in the city or on long-distance trips, this advantage means fewer stops and greater freedom of movement. Moreover, as charging infrastructure improves, the Zeekr 7X is fully compatible with these advancements, meaning it's already ready for the future. The Zeekr 7X accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.9 seconds. This performance makes it one of the fastest electric SUVs in its class. Whether navigating dynamic city traffic or accelerating powerfully on the highway, the Zeekr 7X delivers high performance in every situation. This acceleration even surpasses the best performances of many gasoline-powered cars. With instant response, silent and swift movement, the Zeekr 7X is a step ahead in every driving scenario, making it a thrilling and advanced vehicle. The main power comes from this: any controllable torque applied to all four wheels, if the four-wheel drive version is selected, a modern chassis balance, and intelligent traction control. The result? Optimal road grip, maximum traction, and minimal energy loss. Zeekr 7X versus Toyota bZ4X. Which is more powerful and efficient? Charging speed. The Zeekr 7X is equipped with an 800-volt electric system, making it one of the fastest charging models on the market. It can charge from 10% to 80% in just 15 to 20 minutes. The Toyota bZ4X, on the other hand, operates with a 400-volt system, making it slower. It takes approximately 30 to 40 minutes to charge up to 80%. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. Acceleration. The Zeekr 7X, in its dual motor version, accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in approximately 3.8 seconds. The Toyota bZ4X, whether in front-wheel or all-wheel drive versions, reaches this speed in 6.9 to 7.5 seconds. In this respect, the Zeekr is more dynamic and powerful. Driving range on a single charge. The Zeekr 7X has a larger battery capacity and can travel approximately 700 kilometers on a single charge, according to the CLTC standard. The Toyota bZ4X can cover about 450 to 500 kilometers based on the WLTP standard. In terms of technology, the Zeekr 7X boasts a more modern and high-tech interior. A large curved screen, AI-based function control, and premium features like advanced ventilation and massage seats. The Toyota bZ4X, on the other hand, favors simplicity. It has technology but focuses more on functionality, with fewer luxury elements. The Zeekr 7X is clearly superior to the Toyota bZ4X in terms of technology, performance, range, and comfort. Even one of the technical analysis experts from Toyota Motor Corporation stated Zeekr 7X not only surpasses many electric models on the market technically, but also boasts more advanced features than our own bZ4X vehicle. This is a clear example of how rapidly the Chinese automotive industry is progressing. In short, the Zeekr 7X is no longer just an alternative. It is a leader, and this leadership is evident not only on paper, but also in real-world performance and user experience. Regarding pricing, the Zeekr 7X is offered with different options to users in various markets. In China, the base version of the Zeekr 7X is priced between approximately 220,000 and 280,000 yuan, which is about 30,000 to 39,000 US dollars. At this price point, there are virtually no competitors offering this level of technology and range. In the US market expected price, although official sales have not yet started, Zeekr is planned to enter the US market in 2025. According to experts, the estimated selling price of the Zeekr 7X in the US will be around $45,000 to $50,000. This is a very competitive price point to rival models like the Tesla Model Y and Toyota bZ4X. In Europe, prices may be somewhat higher due to customs duties and taxes. The Zeekr 7X is expected to be offered in the European market in the range of 48,000 to 55,000 euros, approximately 52,000 to 60,000 US dollars. At this price, it will compete directly with models like the Volkswagen ID.4 and Skoda Enyaq EV, but will clearly surpass them in terms of technical specifications and equipment. Considering the price-performance ratio, the Zeekr 7X is very affordable in China, while in the US and Europe it stands out as a strong competitor, offering premium features at a more reasonable price. This makes it an increasingly attractive option in the global market. So what do you think about the Zeekr 7X? Do you think this car is worth it at this price? Your opinions mean a lot to us. Don't forget to share them in the comments. If you enjoy videos like this, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next exciting and interesting car videos.